Hey, we're so excited. Today we received a surprise from our Universal Orlando Resorts representative, Lynette. So we're gonna open it up and see what the surprise is.
It's kind of like a mystery box.
It is, and it's so nice of her to do that.
But we pre-cut it, so.
We should say this is a gift that she felt represented our night spent together at Halloween Horror Nights. What other company takes care of you like that? I'm so excited. Is it Vampire Prince?
It's wrapped up. It's a bag in a box.
First of all, there's a funny story about this bag because remember I couldn't carry it that night.
It's the bag.
So it's the bag, which is funny. Aww.
There's stuff in the bag.
So take the bag out.
Get this box out of here. Let's hope that we didn't miss anything in the box. Alright, hop in the box. So this is the bag.
Which is such a nice bag, and the night we went to Halloween Horror Nights, it was like 115 out, and I just couldn't dedicate myself to carrying it.
Well, first
so thank you.
Is a card, so we might have read that. Or not.
No, we should read
yeah.
it. We should read it. Universal Orlando Resort. There's a very nice long note from our Universal rep in here, which we'll read to each other. We'll read it. Very nice, very sweet note.
Thanks,
about
Lynette.
our partnership.
First off, the Stranger Things,
to
the
hold
lanyard.
our tickets. Thank you. We'll be using these soon.
Halloween Horror Nights, it looks like.
I wanted this. Look at
Trick or Treat.
Poltergeist.
Which is my favorite house, was Trick or Treat.
And my favorite house was Trick or Treat too, but I also loved Poltergeist. Their houses are off the chain. They're so amazing. So close to detail.
Will, the bowl cut from Stranger Things.
We might have to fight one of my children for this.
Stranger Things was, 2 hours for the regular wait on that line?
It was, 3 hours. It was 3 hours. Somebody
170 or
asked
something
me
like that?
if it was worth a 3-hour wait.
Yeah.
Which I said yes, because it was amazing.
It was really good.
Aw, that's so sweet.
And all the actors in it looked
identical.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Totally close to the same. So I want to say thank you so much. That was so sweet of you and definitely taken to heart.
And this is the first
something else.
The first scare zone we went to.
She really did put a lot of thought into this. Oh,
One of the good guys
so
with
sweet.
if you look on the wrist, it says Halloween Horror Nights 2018.
This is amazing. So this is all stuff from the tribute store at Halloween Horror Nights. So
they have a big one.
If you go to Halloween Horror Nights, you want to make sure you stop by the tribute store. It's right on the corner by Vamp 85 Scare Zone. So,
and if you want to see a video of the 2018 Halloween Horror Nights tribute store, you can check it out on my channel, Magic Mike's Travel Show. The short with the Halloween Horror Nights where we go through all the houses and stuff like that for 2018, so that'll be fun.
Thanks, Lynette.
But thank you, Lynette, for all this stuff. You got everything. You got the Chucky, you got the Stranger Things, and there's pretty much all the houses on this. Trick or Treat.
That's awesome.
Mike Myers. That was the only one we didn't get to do was Mike Myers. Was the Halloween one.
Yep.
But we'll save that for
next year.
Maybe next time they'll do it again.
Yep.
Because they did Trick or Treat before, I think. It was
They did.
It was a scare zone, I think, and then they expanded it into a house, and I think that's why it was
They
so
did
good.
it well done.
Because they had all the props, so that was cool. But yeah, thanks, Lynette. That was awesome. I'm really glad that we got to hang out for that night, and you got to show us around. She's actually really cool and knows all of the ins and outs of Halloween Horror Nights, so that was really fun.
Which helps us sell Universal Orlando Resorts even better. So if you need anything, make sure to book your trips with Star Stuff Travel.
Thank you.
Thanks.
You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear the